Hello everybody, Jody here. Welcome back to the channel, J.I. Colorist. I hope you're having a wonderful, relaxing week. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and showing you two different parcels that I have in front of me. They are items that I purchased myself from the website Paint Gem. I do have a discount code available to anybody that would like to use it. You can get 10% off of your order. If you order 2 kits, you get free shipping if you're in the United States, or I believe also they do ship to Canada, do ship most places, but I'll let you figure that out yourself. So I've got 2 boxes here. One is the Bird edition, another is the Mandela edition. And let's open up this one. I also have the Floral edition and the Ocean edition. So these 4 kits are in addition to, I had 2 kits previously. I had the Houseplants edition and the Christmas set. So now I have 6 total sets, and that should be good for a while. I will go ahead and open up each box and show you what's in them. If you've never seen these before, they are small diamond paintings. They come with a sleeve over the box. On the back you have a list of all of the diamond paintings in there, but the thumbnail is pretty small, so I'll go ahead and slip this off and open it up. So inside each one, let me just turn the light off. There we go. You get a cloth bag. Open it up. Inside the cloth bag you get a diamond painting pen, a squishy to go over the pen, a tray, some plastic tweezers, a couple of multi-placer tools, a little plastic heart with some wax in it. I believe that's it. So that comes in every diamond painting kit. Then you have the drills. These are square drills. They are of a small pictures, so the drills being square allow the detail to be a lot clearer on the image. They come pre-bagged, and then you get the diamond painting canvases. When you open it up, you will see that they have little tips and tricks on the front, and if you need some help, there's a QR code there. Then you've got steps 1 to 4 on this side, 5 to 8 on that side. So very cute. They do have stickers if you want to take the gems and put them, or the drills, and put them, either the sticker can go on the outside of the plastic baggie, or you could put them into a storage kit. And I might just change the light. You can see. So we're going to go through and we're going to show. So this again is the Birds edition, and we get a penguin, a toucan, a peacock, flamingo, a little blue bird, a robin, an owl, a parrot, a pelican, that looks like a pheasant, an eagle, a hummingbird, let me check, a crane bird, a swan, a dove, and this little guy I think is a duck, a mandarin duck. So there you go. So this one came with, I believe, 16. Let me just count them. Yes, this one has 16 pictures in it, and then the gem tag on front. And you can, nice and compact. I keep them in the original box because I can then keep them organized, and I can take them on the go and share them with some fun with some girlfriends and stuff as a craft night. So that is the birds edition. Let me go and open up the other boxes. This one is the floral edition, and they do have a few new sets they just came out with. They are restocking often, so if they've been sold out of a certain set, check back. Okay, so this one has 12 flowers in it. Again, we have these square drills, lots of pretty colors, pre-bagged, so you could actually just leave them in the bag. You don't have to put them in a separate storage container if you don't want to. We've got the same kit, and then we've got our canvases. Let's take a look at the canvases. We've got our stickers for identifying the gems. So let's take a quick look at the different flowers that are in it. This one is an iris, a tulip, a violet, a rose. This one is a lotus, a pink peony, a daisy, a white lily. I believe that's lavender. Yes. This is a poppy, some bluebells, that's pretty, and some sunflowers. So 12 flowers in all. I think that these will look beautiful once they're done, and I can then put them on the front of a card or as a little part of a thank you gift. I'll pop these away and grab the next kit. Our next kit is Ocean, and it has 16 pictures in it. Same, very pretty colors, lots of colors in the drill section. Okay, set that to the side. Okay, these ones have numbers on the bottom. Some of them do and some of them don't. So this one looks to be like an angel fish. It's a red sea bannerfish. Okay, this is koi and carp. This is a crab, a jellyfish. This is a tuna. This is a shark, great white shark. Here's the sea turtle, starfish, clownfish, that's darling. This is a swordfish, a blue whale, a seahorse. This one is a bull shark, an octopus, a lobster, and a pufferfish. I think the swordfish is actually called a marlin, so correct me on that. I really like the sea ones. They look, and it's a great band cover, so that'll look good sitting on my shelf all together, very organized. And the last one that we'll do is the Mandala edition, and I'm not a big mandala person, but I did see a look at this before, and they actually were quite pretty, very colorful. So again, we've got your toolkit. They are 12 in this kit. So we've got the sticker sheet, and this is this. I've turned the lighting off, so there should be less glare, and I can hold it up a little closer to the camera. Very pretty. And the detail will really show with it being the square diamonds. Like that, kind of reminds me of Celtic. It looks like fire. Very pretty. Very colorful. And that's number 12. So those are the 4 kits that I purchased from paintgem.com. Again, there's a discount code in the video description. I am not sponsored by PaintGem, but I did apply for their affiliate program so that I could get a discount both for yourselves and obviously myself as well. Always wanting to save some money and try something that is new. So these 4 sets have now been added to my Christmas edition and my house plants. So I think I'm done purchasing some kits for quite a while. I've got lots to keep me busy. I've got lots to do some fun activity, girls' nights with some girlfriends. And if I complete some and have them on cards, I will include them on my monthly completed pages video. And that brings me to the question of, have you ever bought a PaintGem kit? If you have, which kit did you buy? What have you done with the canvases? And if you've got an example of a finished canvas, I'd love you to post it to Instagram and tag me so that I can see your creations. They're fun little pictures. They don't take a lot of time, and I'm excited about having a quick craft on hand. So that's it for today's video. Again, there's a discount code if you would like to see and use it. It gets you 10% off. It's in the description, and I hope you have a colorful and creative week, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.